going to embarrass you now. Go back to this. Okay, this is the first song that we played. We've been working on something. Yes, we're going to show them. We don't have to play the whole song though. Alright? So where do you want to start? How about measure 1? That's a good place to start? Okay, that sounds good. Alright, now this is what we've been working on. You ready? We've been working on the fact that if you would be a concert pianist, how many of you know a concert pianist that sits at the piano and only moves their fingers? Mm-hmm. And then somebody who plays the violin very, very well. How many of you know a violinist that just stands up there and goes like this? Right? And my wife is a flautist, right? And she doesn't play with she actually like this. And you see what she plays, right? You're going to see what they play.